Let's say you are a business analyst, a data analyst who is interacting with data all the time through spreadsheets or other tools. And now you want to add this new modality to convey story through your data, to convey insights through your data. Data visualization is the thing that you would do that with.
Data visualization is sort of an intersection between art and science that allows us to extract useful information from extremely complicated data sets. So it's really about condensation, taking massive amounts of information and knowledge and condensing it down into the simplest representation that can be useful for the stakeholders.
You can communicate those insights through tables, but hey, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So a well-made chart, maybe an interactive chart, a dashboard, is something that you can then share with senior management or whoever is the consumer of those insights. And the fact that it is converted into a visualization that is just telling them the answer. They don't have to search for it and sift through it through a table. They can just look at a visualization, a well-made visualization.
So we hope to instill the participants in our certificate with a broad range of technical skills, but also conceptual ideas that will allow you to bridge the gap between complicated data and actionable decision-making and actionable visualizations so that you can really help to influence and guide decisions in a data-driven way.
The next level to that would be to gain much more control over your data and say, well, this is how I want to tell my story. I want to make this data visualization, but I want this customization over here. I want that slider over there. Things that go well, maybe above and beyond a regular BI tool that would be there. So adding that to your portfolio of expertise so that you can tell your story, your data story, your own way is something that you would be able to learn through this course.
The certificate is well suited for anyone who's looking for exposure to a broad range of skills in the space of popular data visualization tools that are currently available, whether that's on the Python side or the R side, or on a more non-programmatic tool set such as Tableau or Power BI.
As part of this course, we'll be working with reproducible research. So how do you create work products that are living documents using tools such as Quarto, Jupyter Notebooks, checking your code into GitHub repositories, sharing it with the world through RStudio Connect, sharing it with in your professional organizations, and how do multiple data scientists can collaborate using such tools. That is something that we would be working with.
So the capstone project is a cumulative endeavor that we'll be working on throughout the course of the entire certificate that takes all the technical skills that you're learning and incorporating them into a large, cohesive, data-driven document or data-driven website that you'll be sharing on a web server in a public-facing way that you can take with you and share with prospective job managers. And it really starts to become essentially like a portfolio of your accomplishments throughout the certificate.
So we'll be covering a broad spectrum of data sets, whether from natural language processing to time series to high dimensional data. So depending upon whichever industry you are working with, you may find some data sets that are very topical to you, and we'll be doing a lot of visualizations with those sort of data so that you find a broad applicability to something that resonates with you.